All right, so we're on the first practice test out of the red book. We're in math on question number 1. So right now, before you do anything, get out your red book to the first practice test and go to question number 1. Pause the video while you go and do that. All right, sweet. So here's the deal. The question for question number 1 is all about simplification of algebraic expressions, and you have to use the distributive property here. And one of the key things that students will make a mistake on in these kinds of problems is a situation right here where we've got a negative seemingly being distributed through parentheses. And so you're going to see me work through this, and we're going to solve all those problems right here together. So you got to understand the distributive property. So that's the first thing. So we're going to distribute a through the first parentheses, and you have a times a is a squared, a times 4 is 4a. So we've got this part distributed here, and there's two ways of thinking about this part of the problem, and I'm just going to look at one of them. All right, I'm going to distribute the negative 5 through the parentheses. Now some people would tell you that you just take the 5 and then you subtract everything, but we're going to distribute the negative 5 through. So negative 5 times a is negative 5a. Negative 5 times 7 is negative 35. Now that's the point in the problem where you need to make sure you're on track with what's happening. Okay? Everything else from this point forward is simplifying and creating the most simplified expression possible for what's left. All right? And when we simplify expressions, remember, we want to put anything with exponents to start. We write from left to right with the highest exponent. So we've got negative a squared. We combine 4a and negative 5a. So we got 4a's, negative 5a's. We have negative 1a. We don't have to write 1 as the coefficient. It's assumed. All right, and what's left? Minus 35. So the answer to this problem right here is C.